Welcome back to Road Test Masters. Requirements to obtain a driver's license in Florida. What is the minimum age to apply for a learner's permit in Florida? 15 years old, 15 years and 6 months old, 16 years old, 14 years and 6 months old. "15 years old. How long must an individual hold a learner's permit in Florida before they can take the driving test for a provisional license? 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. No minimum period. "12 months. How many hours of supervised driving are required in Florida for a learner's permit holder? 30 hours, 40 hours, 50 hours, 60 hours. "50 hours. Before watching, please like and subscribe. Are there restrictions on night driving for drivers with a learner's permit in Florida? Yes, between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. Yes, between 9 p.m. and 5 a.m. No restrictions. Yes, between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. Yes, between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. Does Florida impose any passenger restrictions for drivers with a learner's permit or provisional license? No passengers under 21. Only one passenger under 21. Only family members under 21. No restrictions. No restrictions.